The current world health crisis has had a significant impact on travel, but McCarran has remained committed to keeping our facilities open and safe. This continuity of operations means our airport and our employees are prepared for when you're ready to travel again. While cleanliness and passenger safety have always been top priorities, we've upped our standards, cleaning and disinfecting with increased frequency and concentrating on high-touch areas to give our customers peace of mind.
You know, people are seeing what we're doing. We're cleaning every day, but we're cleaning extra hard to keep our customers safe.
Getting this airport ready for your return is a team effort.
We are assuring that all shifts are disinfecting everything, all surfaces, any kind of place that you would put your hands to, like open a door, press a elevator button, basically any surface that you would touch here in the airport.
Using electrostatic sprayers, custodial teams are deploying hospital-grade disinfectant throughout the terminals. With fewer people traveling, bike patrol officers have taken on additional duties.
If my family and friends had to travel to Las Vegas, they should know that we're doing everything here at McCarran to keep things safe. We're sanitizing the property everywhere, and they shouldn't have to worry about any of that.
Customer service representatives are able to use this slower time to make thorough equipment checks and alert maintenance teams to any needed repairs.
We have already established the social distancing with the floor spacing dots, the signage in all of our airline stanchions, as well in the TSA stanchion areas. But as things increase, we'll work to that end to make sure everyone continues to stay safe.
As you begin to think about traveling again, rest assured the team at McCarran has doubled down in its efforts to make this a safe place for our customers to return. We're here when you're ready, and we look forward to welcoming you to our home.